Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today it's a lovely day. It's raining, very beautiful, and after a long time I'm back on ORR Outer Ring Road, Hyderabad, just to for a casual drive. Uh, the purpose of the drive is like I wanted to cover the Outer Ring Road, and I felt the weather also was good today, rainy. So get some good footage as well. So the overall Outer Ring Road is the total distance is 158 kilometers. It is an 8-lane road, and I think it should take approximately 1 hour, I guess. Not exactly sure. So that is one of the purpose. Just enjoy driving on ORR. Here we don't get to see normal traffic which can come across in the city. Okay, so couple of updates, guys. Before I continue with this ride for a while, I will just try to give some updates, and then I will focus on the driving, and you all can enjoy the driving along with me. So I've got few questions on my video as well, asking when would the facelift of Nissan Magnite launch. So we've been hearing about this Nissan Magnite facelift. It's been due, it's been pending for quite a lot of time now. It's been already like 3 to 4 years since the Magnite has been launched, and it's due for a facelift, but just getting delayed and delayed. But the talk is like it should release any time by the end of this year, and that's all. The details. If you want to know about the date, any changes we'll have to see in terms of features and all. But I think the facelift, if you guys are thinking I'll wait for the facelift and buy when the facelift comes, then you'll also have to take into consideration that the facelift also might be, in terms of price, there might be a hike as well. You may not get it at the regular price like how you get it, the Magnite, which is coming at right now at 7.3, starting at base version and going all the way up to 1213 for turbo CVT and all. Then another update about Nissan, since I am kind of associated with Nissan, since I have a Nissan vehicle, I kind of trying to follow closely. It's like Nissan is also launching another SUV which is called X-Trail, and I think it should launch anytime soon, and that looks more like a 7-seater premium SUV. Like it would be like the budget would be like 40 to 50 would be the pricing of that, 50 lakhs. And I think that's kind of a competition for Fortuner or something, I guess, because that's how it looks and all. So it looks good. So I have to, people who are interested can look out for that. And we're done with the facelift. Okay. So that's about the facelift, when it's going to launch, and the X-Trail. As of now, the only offering from Nissan in Indian market is the Magnite. So I think the more products they build, it will be better for the customers as well, and that also will give the confidence that they're going to stay in this market for a long time. So that's about it. guys, the small updates, and we will continue with this ride now.